Hi there, I'm John from Essex Wildlife Trust.
And I'm Harriet.
We've walked down to the beach today for our daily exercise and we're going to have a poke around and see what we can find on the seashore.
And I've got my bucket.
We're then going to lay it out and ask Rachel, our Living Seas coordinator, to help us identify what we've found. So why don't you join us? Shore Search is a voluntary scheme to identify and record animals, plants and habitats along our shoreline with the aim of building a baseline of data on the marine wildlife that occurs in Essex. Now, we're not doing anything that structured today, just having a poke around to see what we can find. We're lucky in Essex. We have over 350 miles of coastline, the longest of any county in the UK. We have a range of coastal and marine habitats, from intertidal salt marshes and mudflats to subtidal sandbanks and shellfish reefs. These habitats support a great diversity of wildlife.
I found a lot of different types of seaweed.
Very cool. Yeah, some of them are anchored to stones and shells. Out there is the Blackwater, Crouch, Roach and Coal Marine Conservation Zone. It was designated in 2013 and was the first dedicated marine conservation zone off the coast of Essex. It extends from mean high water mark to where the estuary mouth joins the North Sea. It's the largest inshore MCZ, covering an area of 284 square kilometres. When I was here at low tide last night, the beach was packed with oyster catchers. They're one of the beach nesting birds that's benefited from reduced disturbance during the start of the breeding season this year due to the lockdown. As more of the coastline is opened up for exercise and for leisure, we need to remember to share our shores with these beach nesting birds and bear in mind that some may have nested in different places. When you're out and about, take care not to disturb nesting little terns, ring plovers or brightly beaked oyster catchers.
Got a good bucket full. Let's go and make a nature table.
Good idea. Well, Harriet's got a bucket load of things she's found on the beach, so now we're going to lay it out and make a nature table. We didn't bring a table with us, so we're going to lay out a nature mermaid. We've got a bit of sea glass there. Harriet loves collecting sea glass from the beach, but do always be sure it's not too sharp.
I've got a big bowl of it at home. The blackiness. Still a hole. Here it comes.
Starting to take shape.
My bucket's empty. Here's my mermaid table. I've got her pencil. She's got long hair.
That because of her long seaweed hair.
Yeah.
Very cool.
She's got an oyster shell tail that goes up to here. Rapunzel long seaweed hair.
Oh, with sea glass eyes.
And a nose and mouth. Bye bye, mermaid. Oh, nice.
Yeah, she'll soon be returned to the sea. The tide's coming in. Well, that's all we've got time for today. Hope you've enjoyed coming along on our beach expedition with us. Don't forget to catch Rachel's video tomorrow at 5 when she'll ID some of the things that we've found today. If you're out on the beach over the next few weeks, then don't forget to keep an eye out for beach nesting birds and give them a wide berth if you can.
Share our straws.
That's right. Till next time, stay safe.
And stay well and get out in your gardens.
Bye bye.